So got some time today, gonna go ahead and pull the timing chain off in order to be able to see why the motor is locked up and not free spinning. And we will go ahead and start with removing the accessories, and then we will go ahead and get this front cover off right here, and then we'll go ahead and remove the head as well. So you got 10s that come through the oil pan, 10 millimeters that go around the casing, 14s at the top. There's a 14 as well here, so this is where that idler pulley bracket is, a 10. Of course, you got your 19. Once you get all of your 10s off there, your 14s undone, there's two 6 mil hex heads that go through the top. And then you have pry points right here and right here that you can be able to pry on in order to separate the cover. With the timing chain removed, went ahead and removed the cam assemblies, went ahead and broke all the head bolts loose, so that way then we're going to go ahead and pull the head off here and take a look and see what's underneath. Went ahead and got the crank removed, and now we got the piston. Yeah, it basically got scarred up and chewed the hell out of the cylinder walls. And we thought that originally it was just going to be the rod bearings that were causing the noise, which they were bad, as you saw in that previous video, but something definitely did not go right and caused that piston to start scraping up the wall. So we'll get it over to the machine shop, get it cleaned up and inspected, and make sure that it's something that we can go ahead and maybe just reuse without going ahead and boring it over. But hey, bigger's better.